Damn. Yeah.
Right, what up, is your boy Sleep, and usually I don't do these type of videos, but I'm doing one because somebody asked me to. I managed to get my hands on the Retro 11 Concord early, about a week early, so this is an unboxing. I'm having trouble with the box, so I'm just gonna skip to the box open. You helped plant a tree. You're done now.
Yeah.
Buying shoes, saving the environment. Come on now. Alright, so managed to get these from the sneakers app. You can see there they're saying they're committed to blah blah blah, all of that. You can read that in your own time. You can pause this. but yeah, I managed to get the shoe a week early, and this is just a real brief video of just seeing how the shoe came. Just a quick spin around of the shoes, just taking a look at them and just checking them out really. You'll eventually manage to fish it out. The box is pretty normal. It's a standard lift up box. It's not like the Space Jams or anything like that where the box is a slide out. Just a regular lift up top. And it comes to reveal. Also, sorry about the lighting. My camera is doo-doo and my lighting is equally doo-doo. So I might do some couple of tweaks to it to make the footage look slightly better. But there it is. In a second, boom. There's the shoe. The Retro 11 Concord. But it's got the Space Jam sole and then 45 on the back. Hey, it's a good looking shoe. Here it is from the other side. Let's flip it back around. It's a good looking shoe. This is the first high 11 I own. I got a pair of lows. But one thing I noticed is that they were serious. Come with the plastic little shoe thing. I forgot what they're actually called. I'll put the name up somewhere. But yeah, the thing is sturdy. They're making sure you have no creases in your crepes. There's a little slow-mo of the shoe on. It's the right foot. I'll sit slightly angled, and like I said, the lighting in my room is doo-doo. Don't watch my wardrobe. I got socks in there, bare socks. Just don't eye it. Catch from the other side. The lighting's a little bit better over here. And yeah, man, this is basically the shoe. It is fire. It is clean. It's everything you'd expect from an 11, really, truthfully. An 11, like the hype ones, like the Concords or the Breads. It's what you expect. Jeez. Overall impression of the shoe, it's a real clean shoe. That's to be expected though. It is a Concord and it is an 11 also. But I mean, this isn't really my style of video. I just thought, you know, friends said to do it, so I did it. If you like this, make sure you like, subscribe, share, comment, all of that good stuff. I also do other gaming stuff. All of my social medias, they're going to be in the description below. So yeah, check me out, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.